Hello students, welcome back to Marvel Math. It's an exclusive video for trend analysis of 12th standard CBSE mathematics based on last 15 years board question. So 13 chapters are there. First unit is chapter 1 and 2, relation and function and inverse trigonometric function. Can focus for 3 mark question and 1 mark question. 1 mark question, relation and function is most important. Find the type of a relation or find the domain of the relation, find the range of the relation. 3 mark question you can practice, prove that it is an equivalence relation, also find the equivalence class and so on. Can both have equal preference? Okay, so here you have 8 marks in this both the chapters. Okay, next another unit is matrices and determinants, and here determinant is most important. If you look at the section C part, 47 questions, 5 mark questions, that are almost 40 plus questions only from system of linear equation by using matrix inversion method. There are 6 types of problem. Practice one problem from each type. Okay, and 3 mark question you can practice adjoint and cofactor and what is the area of a triangle. And here 1 mark is most important for both the chapters, and 3 mark question most important for both the chapters. In matrices you can practice operation of matrices, matrix polynomial, and symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Okay, find unknown matrix. That type of problem you can practice for 3 mark question. Similarly, in determinants also you can practice area of a triangle, adjoint property, inverse property problems. Okay, and very important 5 chapters under calculus. Okay, these 2 are differential calculus and these 3 under integral calculus. Okay, so differential calculus section other than section D, continuity and differentiability is most important. Look at section C, 139 questions from section C, and you can expect either 1 or 2. So you have more chance to get 2 questions from section C. And particularly most important exercise is second order derivative, parametric function, second, third logarithmic differentiation, and fourth continuity. This is order of importance. And fifth the differentiability, then derivatives of implicit function and inverse trigonometric function, and last derivatives of exponential function and logarithmic functions. So you can practice 4 mark question here, and 1 mark is most important. Okay, and another very important tips is 67 questions from section D from AOD, application of derivative. Undoubtedly, what is the most important exercise? Maximum minima word problems. So practice all the questions from NCERT, also previous year board question or any other reference book like R.D. Sharma or Agarwal problems. So if you are strong in formation of function, then you can solve any problems related with word problem. Okay, first part is very important in maximum minimum word problem, and very rare you can expect from increasing decreasing in sections D, and 25 questions from section C. So either rate measure or increasing decreasing, both are most important 3 mark section. And integrals 17 questions from section D, almost 70% of the questions only from definite integral, that too 90% of the question only from properties of definite integral, and other 2 exercise fundamental theorem of integral calculus and integration by substitution is most important in definite integral. In indefinite integral you can expect question from problem based on that 6 formulas, and problem based on integrals by partial fraction and integration by parts. Those 3 are the very important exercise, and other 3 exercise 7.1, 7.2, 7.3 and 7.7 are very important for 2 mark questions. Okay, and integral you can expect more 1 marks as well as this is, and look at here, these 2 are, and this similar to continuity and differentiability you can expect more 4 mark question, almost 4 mark question from indefinite integral, particularly integration by parts, partial fraction, and integration using 6 formulas. Very rare you can expect from definite integral. Even if you practice definite integral under these 3 types, well and good, because you can practice both the concept at a time. Okay, so integral is the most important chapter. If you are strong in integral, you can attend all the question. Also, these 2 chapters depends on integral calculus, application of integrals as well as differential equation. If you are weak in integral, then these 2 chapters will, it's not so easy. Okay, so focus more on integrals. So out of around 45% of the marks based on this, so in which so minimum you can expect 15 to 20 marks from these 3 chapters: integral, application of integrals, and differential equation. Application of integrals, 5 mark question, area under simple curve or area between a line and curve. Okay, and other questions very rare you can expect. So for chapter 8, focus more on area under curve, that is problem based on diagram and how to find area using integral calculus. And differential equation, 151 question in which 22 questions are section D. Most 60% of the question from homogeneous differential equation and remaining question from linear differential equation of first order. Okay, so other exercise not important for section D, whereas in section B 88 questions you can see how to practice all the 3 exercises: variable separable, then homogeneous, and then linear differential equation of first order. Okay, and you can expect more 1 mark question. And another unit is vector algebra and 3D. So vector algebra and 3D is very important for 1 mark question. So practice because you have more minute concepts in vector algebra. So if you are strong in formulas, then you can easily solve all the 1 mark question. And there is no 5 marks in vector algebra, but you can expect a 5 mark question from 3D. How to find the foot of the perpendicular, image of a point with respect to line, and what is a how to find point of intersection of the lines. Okay, these types of sums are very, very important. Okay, and better you practice previous year questions along with NCERT, then you can easily get full mark in 3D. And vector also 4 mark question, it is most. Section C, vector algebra is most important, and also this, whereas in section D 3D is the most important chapter. So you can easily get full mark in vector algebra and 3D if you are clear in concepts and formulas. And don't forget to put arrow mark in each and every place wherever it is there. Okay, and then this is separate blueprint, LPP. You can expect 1 mark as well as 3 marks. Very rare you can expect this. Okay, so as per the new syllabus, there is no 5 mark question from LPP. So you can expect, if inequality is given, draw the graph. That type of problem you can expect. There is no word problem to graph, is not there for current academic year. And 1 mark, go through all the theory in LPP, that is linear programming. So you will get full mark in 1 mark section. And last, probability. Probability, look at this, 46 questions in section D. Almost 70%, 80% of the question only from Bayes theorem. So practice different types of problems in Bayes theorem. So very rare you can expect probability distribution along with mean, and very rare you can expect from second exercise multiplication theorem for independent even or non-independent even, and first exercise conditional probability. Whereas you can expect 2 marks and 3 marks from the remaining exercise. Okay. So before going to write board exam, if you are clear about last 15 years trend analysis, you can easily get full mark. All the best. Thank you.